I think it's safe to say that we've all suffered from buck fever, but I got a game changer that has cured my buck fever. I know you guys might think I'm crazy when I say this, but I promise it works. Don't knock it till you try it. Cold plunges. This is probably the only thing that I've found that could possibly resemble the same feeling as having a big buck in front of you. It's all about your breathing. So when you have that deer in front of you, your heart's pumping, your adrenaline's going, you can't really control your breathing. This is the closest simulation I could get as to your heart going, you can't really breathe. The water's so cold it just takes your breath away. You really just focus on bringing your heart rate down and controlling your breathing. And I've found that doing these has helped me a lot in the stand. And whenever I go to actually shoot the deer now, I'm completely calm as can be. So, like I said, don't knock it till you try it. You only have to do anywhere from 3 to 6 minutes, as long as it's anywhere from like 55 degrees, I'd say, or below. I'd say that's plenty. But yeah, give them a try. Right now, it's only 54. This is squirt. Ooh. Ooh. It's really hard to talk and breathe when you first get in here, but the first probably 15 seconds is the worst. After that, it's not too bad. You start getting acclimated to it. You start controlling your breathing. Start slowing your heart rate back down. I'm telling you, this is a game changer for buck fever. I've never seen anyone else make a video about this, and I think I found the cure to buck fever. So definitely give this a try. Like I said, only 3 to 6 minutes a day, or even a few times a week. It also helps with a lot of benefits like sleeping, muscle recovery. Your when you get out of here, you feel like $1,000,000. Like, I'll be so energetic, full of energy. Body will get all red usually when you get out, but you'll be fired up, ready for the day. If you can't do 3 minutes, work yourself up to 3 minutes. Do a minute, then 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Once the water starts getting super cold in the wintertime though, like down into the 30s, just a heads up, you're going to want to put socks on. I know it sounds crazy, I thought it was crazy too, but it actually keeps your toes warm. I always have a towel and a dryer ready for when I get out, something warm. 2, 1. Alright. That's 3 minutes. Get myself a nice Dunkin'. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. I get you fired up for the day. Woo! My neighbor probably always thinks I'm crazy out here yelling after I get out of this thing, but oh well. If this is the problem solver between shooting a big buck and not shooting a big buck, I'm getting in this thing.